after hours of research, I found the 3 best YouTube automation niches with a lot of room for growth. Now, one of the most important things here is demand. Even if we don't want competition, we still need demand. We still need people to watch our videos. And the best tool for this is Google Trends. For example, if you search for YouTube automation niches, you can see that there is a lot of demand for this topic at the moment. And maybe this is why you clicked on this video. And since we are looking at the YouTube search graph here, this means that there is also a high search volume on this topic. Lastly, we need a niche where there is no high competition and where it's easier for us to grow. Like if you go on an oversaturated niche with thousands of channels and videos, it's gonna be super difficult for you to grow from zero. Now, without wasting any time, the first niche is tech reviews. I also have a faceless tech channel. Now, I'm not gonna give you the name yet since it's still in the working process, but I might make a video about it in the future. But why is this a good niche? So, be honest. When you buy an electronic device or a gadget, you just go and watch dozens of YouTube videos about that product, right? Or even if you haven't chosen a specific product yet, you just go and search for best mechanical keyboards in 2023 or something. So not only that these tech videos can get a lot of views from the YouTube search, but the videos also have a long lifespan. Like your videos can keep getting views after months or even years. And technology videos can have a very high RPM rate, meaning that you can make a lot of money just by from the YouTube ad revenue alone. Plus, if you're gonna start a tech channel, do affiliate marketing. It's a must. Like you show all these products, just add their affiliate links under your videos, and people who watch your videos who like these products and want to buy them just can go and buy these products from your link, and you can make some extra money like that without needing to do anything extra. For example, my tech channel is not yet monetized, but I already started making from that channel with affiliate marketing. Like I don't make money with ad revenue, but people go and buy these products with my links and I make money from that. The second niche is finance education channels. Now, finance channels can be very lucrative since they have the highest RPM rates on YouTube and you can make a lot of money. Not only with YouTube ad revenue, but also with sponsorships. The advertisers and the companies in the finance niche pay you well and you can make even more money with sponsorships. And a channel that I can show as an example is Nate Wealth. With only 12 videos, he managed to reach 25,000 subscribers and his very first video got almost 200,000 views. He doesn't show his face in his videos, he only uses his voice. And as a 17-year-old, he's already making over $1,200 from YouTube ad revenue alone. Also, something that I noticed lately on YouTube is that YouTube started pushing small creators. Like I see a lot of small channels getting viral from their first videos. That's how I found Nate Wealth from his first video. This channel here got 1.2 million views on the first video. Or this channel, first video 82,000 views, second video 488,000 views, third video 208,000 views. It's just mind-blowing. The third niche is health and wellness. I'm pretty sure that if you watch YouTube, Instagram Reels or TikTok, you have seen workout videos. I mean, I usually do. And not only workout videos, but also general wellness videos like diet videos and ice bath videos. In 2022 and 2023, I saw a spike in this niche, and so more and more people starting to get in this niche, wanting to get in shape, they're starting to work hard, they're starting to having a better diet, and generally being more active and healthy. Also, this niche is an evergreen niche because working out, getting in shape, and general wellness, these are not things that will fade out or end. There will always be people who want to get better in life, who want to get in shape, who want to build muscle, who want to be healthier, who want to have a better diet, lose some weight, so there will always be demand in this niche. So with the previous niches that I mentioned in this video, an example channel that I can show is Body Hub. They have over 1.2 million subscribers and getting over 3 million views per month and making thousands of dollars every month. And all this without even showing their faces. But overall, the key thing with all these channels is making high quality and engaging videos. There are 2 metrics you should focus on YouTube: average view duration and click-through rate. Basically, you should have an eye-catching thumbnail and title so people who saw your video click it, and then have an engaging, well-edited video so people are entertained, they're hooked, and they keep watching. If you can do these 2 things, then your channel will blow up. Like my first video on this channel got 45,000 views. I believe I did a pretty good job with my click-through rate and my average view duration. If you want, you can check that video out.